Do you want to make money from your creative work even when you're not actively working? If so, you need to learn about Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a stock photography website where you can sell your photos, illustrations, and vector art. It's a great way to make money from your creative work, and it's relatively easy to get started. To make money on Adobe Stock, you need to have an Adobe Stock contributor account. Go to the Adobe Stock website and follow the steps. Let's talk about important stuff. Identify marketable content. What kind of content is in demand on Adobe Stock? What are the latest trends? What are people searching for? Do some research to get a good idea of what kind of content you should create. Produce marketable content. Once you know what kind of content you want to create, it's time to start producing it. Make sure your content is high quality and meets Adobe Stock's guidelines. If you're not a professional photographer, I suggest you create vectors, like icon sets, symbols, and other simple vector art, because it is easy to get approvals for those content. Also, you can try AI-generated art. Upload your content to Adobe Stock. Once your content is ready, you can upload it to Adobe Stock. Be sure to include relevant keywords so that people can easily find your content. Promote your content. Don't just upload your content and forget about it. Promote it on social media, your website, or other online channels. Focus on high-quality content. The better the quality of your content, the more likely it is to sell. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful portfolio on Adobe Stock. Don't expect to make a lot of money overnight. Making money on Adobe Stock is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a great way to make some extra money from your creative work. If you have high-quality content that you're willing to share, then Adobe Stock is a great option for you. In the comments below, let me know if you have any questions about how to make money on Adobe Stock. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.